Damien from LeakDtech here again. We wanted to just reach out to our mall clients and discuss the problems that we get on a regular basis for retail outlets in malls. The issue is very common where water leaks down into an adjacent retail outlet, and we wanted to try and help our mall customers a little more by sharing some information. One of the biggest problems are food outlets. The food court in a mall is normally bunched together, and with many food outlets in the same location, if one is leaking, it's very difficult to locate the source of a leak because it spreads. So we help many mall customers trying to find the leaks and the sources of leaks when malls are having leaks that are causing damage to footfall or to the property itself, costing tens of thousands of dirhams in many cases. So LeakDtech comes in on site. We perform testing of an entire food chain outlet. So for instance, if the kitchen at the back has a leak, we would test the fresh water. That would be cold water, hot water supplies with a hydrostatic test, and then we would be able to test the drainage lines as well for the leaks, and then locate the leaking problem specifically so they can fix it. In all cases, our customers, when these leaks are occurring, we can defend the mall and try and help the mall locate the reason for the leak and then get the retail outlet to fix it. Or in the case of a retail outlet that is assuming that it's next door that is leaking and not them, then we can help them isolate that it's not their property that's leaking, show the mall management where the leak is actually coming from, and again help get the problem fixed. In all cases, whoever's side of the fence we're defending, you as a customer might like to start by reducing water usage, if at all possible, to identify the source if it's a cold water line. So fresh water, the hot water and cold water lines would need to be isolated, and you can try and find the source of a leak on those, but not normally are these a problem on a site. It's normally the drainage lines, normally around the pot wash area. So we would advocate that you do a regular backwash, hot water backwash of your lines, keep them clean. Normally use the contractor for the grease trap to get this done. And on top of that, we would advocate running hot water down your drainage lines and then see if that hot water ends up downstairs. You can help identify the leaks yourself that way, not having to call us in. Either way, if you need help identifying any leaks in a restaurant, we can identify any leaks in a restaurant wherever it's coming from, even if it's a CDP line from an AC, we're here to help. So any leaks in a mall with regards to retail outlets, we can help get the problem resolved as quickly as possible and save everybody a lot of money. Thank you.